How to find your messages on your Amazon shopping. Welcome guys, I will show you how to find this. So let's start. Guys, first open your Amazon shopping. Then go open your profile here. After that, when you open your profile, scroll this list, you will find your account, click see all. And scroll this list down. And you will find your messages. Click. Here we found all your messages and buyer and seller messages. Here I will add it. For example, I have a message here from Amazon business account. So that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe and bye.